Josh Brown here from Erlangen, Germany at the Evosys Laser Solutions Technical Center, and just quickly wanted to demo not the EVO 800 TD, but the newer model of this. This was just released. This is one of my favorite lasers. The reason why is because these lasers are designed to be integrated into automation lines, rotary dial tables, linear conveyors, etc. But a lot of applications, especially in the medical device sector, you're not ready to move into full automation right away, and you need a solution to get you through compliance and all of your regulatory ramp-up runs. That's what this machine is designed for. We take this integration head that will ultimately end up on your automation line, and we put a chassis around it to operate as a turnkey system. That way, it can be manually loaded and unloaded, get you through tens of thousands of parts, and as soon as you're ready to transfer into full high volume production, millions of parts, etc., this box comes off, the rack mount system moves offline, and then you strap the head onto your rotary dial table or linear conveyor system. If you'd like more information and technical details, you can visit us at evosys-laser.com.